Hey, welcome to Project Hardway. If you're here, it's because you either have one of these or you know me. And if it's because you have one of these, then you're here because when you turn on your AC, your blower motor does this. Nothing. High speed, everything. And that's it. Too easy. Ain't nothing hard way about this fix. Let's get to it. Okay, so what's causing this problem is more than likely a blower motor resistor. If your fan speed only works on high, then this part right here is what has caused the issue. It's got multiple coils with different, levels of resistance to electricity. And they allow a certain amount of current to flow through them, which affects the blower motor speed. So on our trucks, the blower motor's under the hood, and so is that resistor. Easy peasy. It's got 2 screws and a harness. The hardest part of it is, just getting to it under all this other junk. Let me show you. So you see here we've got our blower motor, and then down beside it, behind all this mess of wires and hoses, is a harness plugged in, and that is where our blower motor resistor is. So we just got to get down there to it. So to start with, just to make life a little bit easier to get my tools and my hands down there, I'm going to take this vacuum canister out, which is just held in by a couple of nuts here on the inner fender well. So knock those out with the 7/16, and then we'll get into the rest. Well, in a turn of events that should have been fully expected, the bolts broke off that hold that there, but it's out of the way, and now I've got a little bit straighter access to our blower motor resistor back off in there. We'll leave the harness plugged in so that I got something to grapple it by once the screws are out. Speaking of screws, it's 2 8mm. Get in there. There's one. Probably lose that forever. It fell on the floor. As long as you hear it hit the floor, you're all right. Ah, that one did not hit the floor. Okay. I'll have fun fishing that out in a second. But here comes our resistor. Ta-da! Now I just got to undo these clips, unplug it, swap the new one in. Oop. Dearie me. Probably going to break these clips because, 32-year-old Ford. No, 34-year-old Ford. Boy, that's where we're at now, isn't it? I probably wouldn't have got this harness off with this thing down there anyway. Boy, what a, tight little bit this is. Oh, there we go. I broke the clip on one side. Knew that was going to happen. Knew it was going to happen. There we go. Wonder what happens if I break the other one. I bet it comes off now. Look at that. I'm going to absolutely destroy this harness. Ah, there we go. There's nothing on here that screams I'm damaged or I don't work like I should. So we'll go ahead and pop the new one on. See if it works. There's our new one. Fortunately, we won't be getting the full click out of that because it's broken now, but that won't go anywhere. I'm confident to say that. Pop that back in the hole. Oh, where'd that other screw go? Get my hardware back in. Hopefully without dropping it again. Maybe that was the other one that I just heard. Very hard to see this stuff. It's in a tight little spot down there. It's one of those things where you just gotta let your hands be your eyes. All right, that thing is back in there like it should be. And as for our little hardware mishap with the vacuum canister, I think I got that sorted out. All right, here we go, our moment of truth. Low speed. 2, 3, 4. Good to go. Like I said, nothing hard way about this one. Sometimes it is just that easy. Now, well, it works like it ought to, huh? Thanks for watching, guys. See you around.